Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a killing in affiliate marketing without having your own website. All you need is a little know-how and the willingness to put in some hard work, and I'll show you how it's done. Sound good? Then keep watching.
Welcome and thank you for joining us. This is my video of do you need an affiliate marketing website in 2022 or can you make tons of money without it? And I will show you that you actually don't need a website in 2022, and I'll show you step by step how you can make tons of money online without a website using affiliate marketing super easily. It's almost crazy. It almost should be illegal. Hang around. I know you are all dying to find out what it is that you can do to make money with affiliate marketing and not using a website. It involves Google Ads, and it involves an ad type that is not often utilized. What we're going to be doing is what they call a lead form ad. It actually creates a lead form like you use with your autoresponder in the search engine results right on the page inside the results, so they don't actually have to go anywhere. And you'll find that you'll actually be promoted more often than your competitors because Google realizes that they are not losing that consumer to your website. Before I get into showing you how to set this up so that you can capture leads from search engine results when people are looking for different products, I want to explain how amazing that really is. If you don't have an understanding of what this is providing you, listen to this explanation. So, in a sales funnel, you have at the top awareness as the first step, and the bottom of the funnel is intention to purchase. You are skipping from having to educate customers in order to get a sale down to the bottom of the funnel where people are actively searching for the products that they want to purchase, and you're stepping in at that moment when they are looking to buy, and you're putting your lead form there. And if you do this correctly, you can grab customers like crazy and move them into making the purchase of your high ticket offers. And it decreases the expense for you exponentially so that you have an amazing ROI on your offers. Plus, you build a phenomenal list of active, hungry buyers. So, this method works like gangbusters. So, make sure you pay attention. I'm going to explain it now, how to set it up step by step to make sure that you can sell affiliate products without a website. Okay, here's how you go about setting up the lead form ad. You need to go into your campaign section in your Google Ads, and we're going to start a new campaign. In there, you'll find leads. Click on leads. You're going to want to go and hit your continue button. Choose search because we want to be in the search results. And we're going to hit continue and start new. Okay, now we're in the bidding section. You want to make sure you're on conversions. Choose where you want your lead forms to show up. That's going to be up to you on what you think is going to be most effective. But we're going to go down here to extensions, and you're going to scroll down here to more extensions. And in here, you'll find the lead form extensions. And that's what we're going to do, is add a new lead form extension. And look there. It is a lead form like you have on a landing page. You can put in your headline. What you want to do is put in your business. You want to fill in the information, the description. You want to be describing what they're going to get by giving the personal contact information that you're requesting. So you're going to want to put in whatever lead magnet you're using. If you want to collect more than just an email, if you want to choose name, if you want full name, if you want a phone number, email, and you can choose a whole bunch of information. But remember, just like on any form, the more you ask, the less people will complete the form for you. Once you have filled out the information on your lead form, you need to make sure that you have a privacy policy available that meets the Google Ads requirements. Otherwise, the lead form will not work. You can put in background images. I recommend that you use these features because it will help your ads to stand out and just give you a more complete professional appearance to your work. And the more you can add, the more professional it looks and the better results that you'll have. So I'll show you an example here. Once you've added your background, you should get something that looks like that. See, it will fill in your lead form for you and just give you a more complete professional look. You also have the ability to go in here and can make a submission message that will be your thank you page for your ad. Make sure that when you fill out your thank you page for the lead form that you put in your website that you want to have your leads go to when you're complete. And that goes here. And once you've got everything pieced together, you do your call to action and you review all the terms. You're able to review your ad, what it'll look like when they click on it, and you are ready to go. And this is how you can promote offers for affiliate commissions without having to create an affiliate website in 2022. If you can see the potential here, you'll understand why this has had me so excited. Thank you again for watching my video. If you got value from this, please give it a thumbs up so that more people can see this method. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you get more tactics, tricks, and tips for making money online. And as always, thank you for your time. My name's Peyton, CEO of the Peyton Eckman Project. Have a great day.